Hi guys, it's Sharon J. Bainbridge here from Butterfly Lullaby, and I'm going to share with you a wonderful recipe for how to make healthy milk chocolate truffles.
I don't want no lonely letters from you, my friend. You said to me we aren't perfect, but then who is? Why do you hesitate? There's nothing to say. Perfect, no, you're not perfect. No way.
Okay, so I've just finished moulding this into one big lump. I don't know if you can see that. I'm trying to. There we go. What I'm going to do now, I've got my little container. Hopefully I'll get a nice container one day, a nice stainless steel one. So you just take a little piece of the chocolate gooey mess, roll it into a ball. I like to make like meatball size balls, and then you just put it in to your almonds. You can see what I'm doing here. See? There you go. They look brilliant, don't they? See that? And just place it in the container. So you just keep doing that until you finish with the making your truffles, really. Stick them in the fridge and they should, last, well, usually they last me about, 3 or 4 days with my daughter and I. We really like them. Like great presents. So I'm going to make some of these for Christmas for some of my friends and family. That's it. Please do leave comments below. Let me know what you think of this recipe. And do support Dr. Michael Greger because his work's fantastic. He's helped me actually get off my strong inhalers, asthma inhalers, by eating more plants and just learning more about fruit and veg and herbs, etc. And thanks to Google, I found him. So, yeah, thank you, Google. I just want to give a shout out to the Meadows. Please check out their videos. They're our friends and they're fantastic musicians and singers. And they've got their own page here on YouTube, and I'll put a link in the description. James and Michelle really love my milk chocolate truffles. So Michelle asked if I could go around there and show her how to make them. So I just thought I'd make this video for her and also for my other friends and family who might enjoy them. And my new friends on YouTube. So here they are. The finished milk chocolate Dr. Michael Greger truffles. Delish.
How long has it been since we said hello? In the same house, but on the same road. Playing in the playground like we were small. We sat down to nothing at all. Baby, baby, I wanna be your crown. Tell me who's outside, look around.